Hi everyone, this is Miss Diana or down in year 6, and I created this for all students, parents, and even teachers for those who are interested in improving a language that they want to focus on or even trying to learn or pick up a new one in our this time where we are all doing online learning and we have maybe a little extra time at home. So this is called LLN, Language Learning with Netflix. It was first shared to me by my own sister because we both have an interest in learning new languages. And I will say that this only works on Chrome browser. So if you are more comfortable with using Safari or you usually use Firefox or anything else, unfortunately you will need to download or use Chrome for this extension. And so LLN is a super tool that is created for maximum ease in language learning while also maximizing the amount of fun that you can have. Very easy to use also. But first of all, I just want to touch upon why it's so important to learn another language or even just really develop the ones that you already have if you want to develop them. So, why learn another language? First of all, it is proven to improve cognitive or brain flexibility, where if you're able to switch or you're even able to think simultaneously at the same time in two languages, then you're basically activating more parts of your brain, more regions of your brain. And when I did some research, like when I was doing research into this, it actually activates the executive functioning inside the brain, the region inside the brain also. So there's really like no disadvantage to improving your brain, right? And second thing is that this is something that I have experienced being multilingual myself. So when you are bilingual or you even know more languages than that, you develop a special or like a deeper understanding of concepts because one language, just because of the way they are formed or the way they are communicated or used in situations in that culture, um, you will develop an understanding of one concept in one way per language. So when you have an understanding of the same concept but in two different languages, you're basically also opening yourself up or opening your child or anyone else really, that you're opening the understanding of that one concept up in two ways or even more ways, and overall you will just have a deeper understanding, like a very unique personalized understanding of different concepts really. And bilingualism, multilingualism is proven over and over again that it will help to learn things faster up in secondary, all the way in colleges, and even like the how fast you can think or how fast you can respond in work settings. It's just proven that your brain just reacts so much faster. And long term, easiest thing to explain is that the brain just stays stronger by having this mental flexibility and like having developed the stamina or like basically the whole like endurance or the strength of your brain. The brain just stays stronger very, very long term, like all the way into old age. So yeah, language learning with Netflix. I will now demonstrate the installation before I actually show what it looks like on Netflix. So for the installation, what you want to do is you want to find the install button right here. You can't see my mouse, but hopefully the button is changing colors on your screen. It's called install, or you can scroll down and there's even this really cute button, install from Chrome Web Store. So I'm going to click that and it will take you to the Chrome Web Store. These are for all the extensions that you might want. And so language learning with Netflix, this blue button on the right side, it says remove from Chrome on my laptop because I already have it installed. But on yours, if you don't have it yet, it probably means that you have to click the install button or get the extension or something like that. Look, there's so many good ratings, like 776, and there's over 600,000 users. So this is a very popular extension. So once you have installed that, you are going to open up Netflix, and when you pick a movie or show to watch, the screen will look something like this. Well, first of all, you have to make sure that LLN is turned on. So this red button should also have the word on next to it. So it will look something like this. It might look like this. For now, I have the movie Charlie and the Chocolate Factory open. And on this right side, you immediately see that you have the script, the whole movie script open up for you. But first of all, before I forget, you want to go to the settings, the cog, that basically is the icon for settings. Click on it, and you want to set the translation language. So for example, here I have Thai. There are so many languages available. There's also Chinese, simplified or traditional, French, if that's what you want, Hebrew, anything, Japanese, Korean, there's so many. So I'm going to set mine in Thai, and I'm going to close. And I will just play the video for a few seconds to show you what happens. Now this is the most important room in the entire factory. See? So you can see that each time a new line is being spoken, then in this script, it actually moves while you are watching the movie. So it's almost like reading a book. And see, as you can see, when my mouse is hovered over a certain word, it highlights the word and actually gives you a translation. So this is really great. But at the same time, you can also see, like, some people maybe prefer this, having the script on the right side, but you can actually close this and just use the subtitles down here like in a movie theater. But this is even better than a movie theater, because apart from just having the English lines on top and the Thai lines at the bottom, or whatever language you chose at the bottom, what you can do is that you can actually hover your mouse or your cursor over each word when you want it, and it will automatically translate the word to you on the spot. You can actually have auto pause, so the movie will automatically pause at the end of every subtitle. So for example, now this is more important, blah, 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 and it will pause for you to be able to have the time to read the sentence yourself or read the translation. So very, very powerful. What can also be done is that for each movie, if you want a sentence and you really want to learn that particular sentence, you can actually click save. So I'm clicking, well, oh, you'll need a Google account. But if you've set it up, you can save that line. And when you open here, you can actually go into your saved items, right? I feel like maybe you need your pro feature for this then. I haven't really explored this. But that is just the general gist of it. You can play your whole movie using LLN and basically have fun with it. Maybe you will even find more functions that I haven't seen yet. But overall, I hope this has sparked some of your interest in language learning. It's so powerful, and I can't recommend it enough right now. So I hope you enjoy, and please share your reviews with us once you've also tried it out. Okay? Thank you very much. Have a good day.